Hello guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can get easily the best Temu discount or the coupon codes here on your mobile phone or on the PC. You can do this thing on the both format of mobile phone or PC. So for today's video, I'm going to do it on my mobile phone because I have the Temu application installed on my phone, and I'm going to do a purchase or purchase something from my mobile phone itself. Now, as you can see, this is the home screen. I will click on the Google button here and simply search to the Google. And here I will search Temu best discount codes. And you simply have to search this. Here you will see a lot of website, but you have to scroll down and click on the first website, that is couponfollow.com. Click on this, and in this website on the homepage you will get a lot of options, but you will also get a lot of QR or the promo codes listed. You can select any of the discount code of your choice you like to purchase, so you can do it, and after that you simply have to copy it and paste it on the official website. Now on the homepage you can see the discount coupon for 30%, 90%, 50%, and 70%. Please choose only the top 4 promo code you will see here. Now let's move to the second website, that is Retail Me Not. This is also a leading website that provides you the best discount coupon codes, accept all the cookies, and from this you can get a lot of promo code like this one. Whenever you will click it, the code will be displayed in front of you, and you can simply purchase on the Temu website after copying this code. So this is how you can actually find the best promo code for Temu or any other website. Thank you so much for watching this video.